What's up, everybody? So let me ask you a question. We've got we've got aluminum. We've got barium. We've got... Well, let's just look at those two, okay? We know that those two heavy metals are being aerosolically injected by means of airliners, planes, large planes. And we know that these clouds that are left behind are called persistent jet contrails. At least that's what they call them in the mainstream. Okay? Persistent. Okay? Persistent jet contrails. Meaning they linger and they persist. They persist. And they come out in a steady stream, okay? But they fan out. That heavy stream fans out into a large plume. And that large plume, coupled with all of the other large plumes, because they're not just using one plane, they're using thousands, because they're blocking out the sun. Okay, it's Operation Solar Shield. All right, so they have to create a cloud layer, and that's why these persistent jet contrails fan out into something thick, dense, and they're using nanotech to keep it bound together. And they're using frequencies like this from the Doppler radar towers, and they're using microwave frequencies to not only heat this upper atmosphere and create high pressure systems, they use the cell phone towers down here with their microwave signals down low to manipulate the material as it settles. Okay? As it settles. And then, as that settles and becomes a fog, like you can see, I don't know if you can see the fog on the horizon. Can't really see it from where I'm at. You can kind of... not really. Anyways, it's a fog. And 5 miles out, you can see how dense it is. Anyways, so, back to this guy. So, our cell phone emits a microwave radiation. And when we're holding our phone, or our phone is in our pocket, we're exposed to high levels, the highest level of power that this is going to emit at that microwave frequency. And when we're breathing these particles into our lungs and into our body, our whole body becomes filled up with all the particles. It gets distributed through the bloodstream, and then the microwave signals then react to those particles and cause things to happen that should not happen. Bad things. Right now, the 2.4 to 6 gigahertz that is currently running out in and out of our phones is causing the water molecule to spin, to change its axis, to rotate on its axis. You know what happens to water when you put it in a microwave. It heats it up, it causes it to boil, it excites it. That's what they're doing now. The new systems, the 5G systems, works with the oxygen. It's going to cause bad problems in the body. So, let me know if that makes sense. And leave your comments. Peace.